So,
Sorry, you turn around a little bit. There's lines here. Okay.
how's that?
Yeah.
It's okay? You can all see? Okay. Volume. Now, do you know this word, Ben?
Yeah.
Good man. What does it mean?
Well,
Yeah, what's volume?
MQ.
True. Good. Okay. So, volume. You know from semester 1. Let's say this is A and this is B. And I want the area. How do I get the area? I want this area. Okay, what's that called? Now come on. Come on, try.
Integrate.
Yes. Yes. You need to know these words, don't you? Yeah. So go on, integrate what?
The curve.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. A to B. Okay? Now, imagine for a moment I do this. I have the curve and I rotate it. I spin it around. So it makes this shape. Can you picture that? So you spin it around and you make a shape. Okay. We have a way to calculate the and this is A and this is B. We have a way to calculate the volume. So it's integration as well, but you do two things differently. You multiply your answer by pi, and you don't integrate f, you integrate the square of it. Okay, this is the formula for calculating volume. You get, yeah?
Pi r squared.
Yeah, you're right, pi r squared. Because you can think of it like this, Go. This is like a cylinder, and this is the height, which is like, that's like this piece. And the radius is like this piece. So as you said, pi r squared. Good insight, well done. So I'll let you write this down before we look at some examples.
Is the whole thing squared? Fx only x.
No, the whole thing. Yeah. Continue. Continue. We'll look at an example. Okay. So here is a simple example. Let's say here's fx equals, let's say, 2x. Okay? And there's 0 and there's 4. And what I do is I rotate it. What shape do I make? What's the name of this shape?
I don't know.
What's it in English? Cone. Cone. Okay. So v equals pi 0 to 4 2x squared dx. Yeah? Pi 4x squared dx. Okay. That's pi 4x cubed over 3. Yeah? 0 to 4. So that's 256 over 3 pi. Right?
Okay.
Isn't it? You put in 4, you put in 0, and you get this. I hope. I think I'm right.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, well that's a basic example to get started. So we'll do a harder one in a minute. I'll let you write this down. This is our first example. Yeah? You got that? I scroll down? So some are having a nice time at home. Watching Shield.
No, I don't know if it's interesting. I was I was watching Shield last night until 5. But I did some homework before, and I started playing
Zelda.
until 5 o'clock.
Ah, stop. 5 o'clock you were playing Zelda.
Not really. 5 hours, and I did
5 hours of Zelda.
not really 5 hours, maybe 3 hours.
Okay.
Like this.
So you went to sleep at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, but it's okay. 'Cause, the first class is 11 o'clock today.
Students. Okay, you got that? Okay. Right. Here's another one. Here's one for you to try. This curve here is root x. That's 0 and that's 1. And, we'll make it, we'll keep it like that. I just drew it badly. It actually is this shape. Okay, root x. And that's 0 and that's 1. And we'll rotate it. And it's up to 1. Okay, and my question is, what's the volume? Well, that'll be pi. And Ben, what do I put here and here?
Square.
0.
0, 1.
1. And then what goes in here? Yeah.
X
Square root x squared.
dx equals to pi
So it's equals to
x
9?
dx.
No, because you have to integrate. So it's pi x squared over 2.
Oh.
0 to 1. So the answer is pi over 2. Yeah? Okay, you should write that one down. Yeah? I'm going to give you a hard one to try. No, an interesting one. Okay? Ready for your interesting one? Right. X, Y, this is a half circle.
So it's a ball.
Yeah, a sphere. So fx equals root or squared minus x squared. Okay, give me the volume.
I learned this before. Integrate something minus something.
I think you can do this. Oh, you look confused. Ben? Any luck?
No.
No?
I just know it's minus r to r. No,
Good
r
start.
to minus r. But I don't know how to integrate this.
Okay, let's do it. So you figured out, Gao, that this is minus or and or because you need to know what the roots are when it equals 0. It equals 0 when x is minus or. So the volume is pi integrate from minus or to or root or squared minus x squared squared dx. Yeah, so it's just pi minus or to or squared minus x squared dx. Okay? This is pi or squared x minus x cubed over 3 minus or to or.
What's the rules?
Because the or squared is constant. It's a constant.
Oh.
You know, like 3 squared
Yeah.
just becomes 9x. Yeah? So this is equal to pi or 2/3 or cubed plus 2/3 or cubed when you sub in the two values. So the answer is 4 over 3 pi or cubed.
Too fast.
Too fast?
Just from this down to down.
That's there. Ah, you can do it in your head.
Yeah.
No?
No. No genius as you.
No, not me. No, definitely not a genius. Ben's a genius. Ben's a genius.
No.
Matt's genius.
No.
No.
Let us say. Or very
Yeah.
similar.
Similar.
It's always similar that result.
Maybe not for English.
Oh yes. Okay.
You write this down? Yeah. You write a lot quicker, Khalifa, than the two of them.
You still can remember pi after 1? How many? 25?
No.
20?
No. 3.14159265 3. I wasn't looking. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah. Okay. Continue? Yeah? No! What's taking so long, Ben?
Or just drafting.
Oh my goodness, okay.
Because I use this half to calculate.
Ah! So you need to multiply your answer by 2.
Yes, but the same.
Yeah.
Because I think easier, maybe.
Not much difference. A little easier, maybe.
Because I 0.
Yeah, 0. Yeah, it makes it a bit easier. Can I? No.
You can.
I can. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what one could I give you? Something. Ooh. Okay. Let me give you this one. Okay, I want the volume of that. It's like an egg. Yeah.
That bad course?
Mm-hmm.
RIATE, which is constant.
You don't need LIATE for this. we doing? Got an answer?
I'm not sure.
What is sine pi multiplied cosine
-1.
0.
0. Sorry, 0.
So, we use pi and 0, always get a 0.
So the answer is 0?
Of course the answer is not 0. How could it be 0?
No.
How could the volume be 0?
But
I get pi square over 2.
Good man. Correct.
Okay.
I think you're right.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Let's calculate. So the formula is V equals pi integrate 0 to pi sine squared x dx. Okay? So if we use our by parts formula, f is sine x and f derivative is cos x. And g derivative is sine x and g is minus cos x. So this is equal to fg minus integrate f derivative g. Minus minus makes plus. Now you have to put in the limits here. 0 pi and 0 pi. If you put in, so that's 0. That's 0. So this is equal to, I lost my pi here. Pi cos squared x dx. 0 pi. Which is equal to pi, 0 pi, 1 minus sine squared x dx. Which is equal to x times pi, 0 pi, minus pi integrate sine squared x dx. That's equal to pi squared minus 0. And that's equal to b. That's b. So, go, you get 2v equals pi squared. So v is pi squared over 2.
Okay.
Nice, huh?
I didn't calculate, except the last time we did same, so I just took the answer. I think the answer was wrong. Frankly.
Okay, write that down. Well, I don't know, Ben, do you need to write it down?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Did you write it down already?
Well, I just put the last time answer.
You copied the answer. That's what Gow tried to do. Got that now? Got it? Okay. Right, so I'll let you try a couple. Now, just so you know, question 8. Question 8. You got your book? You can, Khalifa, you can borrow mine. No, you can borrow it in a second, okay? 8. So y, in number 8, the answer, it's the wrong way. It should be y equals root 1 minus x squared, not x squared minus 1. It's backwards.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, you can try these for a few minutes. Which ones? I think you can do all of them. Well, I tell you, wait. So, we did question 9 already.
Okay.
And we did question 13.
13, yes.
Yeah. So you don't need to do those. So I'll tell you what, do question 3. Let's say, question 7. 10.
So why we change the A question? We don't need to do this.
8.
Sorry.
No more work then.
11, 12. Thanks, Ben. I don't think they're too long. Right? They're not too long.